Hey, I have a question for you. Are you serious about your goals this year? Now, I only bring it up because we are in March, and by now, most of your New Year's resolutions would have fallen by the wayside. And so, I have created a workshop that will fix that exact issue. Dream It, Plan It, Live It workshop, taking place on March 21st, is designed to help you achieve that which you desire. We're going to get together. We're going to sit down and create you a personal success roadmap. Oh, yeah. And when you leave, you'll have clarity, direction, and a plan you can actually execute. Does that sound like something you could use right now? Okay, perfect. So get registered. Go to dplsuccess.com, sign up, get registered, and let's work together to ensure that your 2026 is amazing. Wait, I don't know why I just did the mind-blowing thing. I'm sorry. I get carried away when I'm talking with you. Go get registered. And I look forward to working with you very soon. Until next time, continue to live life to the fullest. Ciao.